Stay tuned for one of the most legendary inventory pickup days of my selling career. Yes, look at all of this and hear this. Holy cow. Never have I found what I just found. This right there. Yeah. So I was out playing disc golf when I ran into a lady that I knew from church a few years ago. Asked how her husband was doing. Sadly, she said he passed away. She wanted to catch up, see how our life was doing, telling her the job that we do. She said, come by the house because you can have all of his old hunting and fishing gear. She gave some of it to family, but let me have the rest. So I didn't have my GoPro with me, but I'll just show you quickly. It was a box like this, one like this, and I still got some like crossbow arrows in here, gun cleaning, like repair kits, some thermals, lures, all kinds of stuff. And I've gone through these boxes and pulled out some pretty good stuff. So in this tote here are some of the things that I think will bring in some good money. We have some more crossbow arrows. They have the tips on there. Got this trail cam, a few Abu Garcia fishing reels. There's one, there's another one right here. And then some of these lures, these old wooden lures, can bring in some incredible money. Different fillet knives. But I got excited because looking through one of the boxes, I'll show you here, there were a ton of new in the package vintage lures. I wanted to see if you noticed this right here. Yes. Olympus Stylus Epic. Down in those boxes was a $300 camera. It's already powering on. And I've already started listing some of this. Here's a buck knife. There were two in the boxes. I've already sold the first one, $50 free shipping. So I still got to get all of this stuff listed. But yeah, definitely wanted to show you a $300 Olympus camera. So I also got this antique tackle box, and this thing was huge. Had some pennies in it from the 50s and 60s, but look at this stuff in here. Let me show you what's in the bottom. So yes, if you see what I see, those are still brand new in the package. Lures dating from like the 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. This is a pretty big tackle box. It was like 2 to 3 layers deep of new in package lures. Here's just one more tote. I mean, it is tackle boxes on tackle boxes. I've gone through all of this. Don't know if I'll do a big lot of these, but I also have some friends and stuff that I'll let them go through all this stuff. But she told me to come back another day because I couldn't get it all in. I had our van, you know, and I wanted to go back with the truck because she had some other stuff. Like this cabinet here that had some pretty cool stuff, but like I pulled some of these out of the drawer, glass eye, wooden lures, but check what was in these drawers. I was blown away. Still brand new in the box, antique wooden lures. There's still 6 here in this drawer. I've already sold 3 of these. Haven't even got these listed. But like, I don't know if it was like a tackle box store that had closed down. This guy had brand new, like no dust on some of these packages. So this was just like an incredible find. And this is why I had to go back for a second trip. As you see, there's just stuff everywhere in this cabinet. These are the loose lures that I still need to look up because they were in really good condition that I will still lot together. Like, look at that cool. But I'll see if there's any value in these. Yes, but it wasn't all small stuff. I'll show you what's under the tarp. We just had a really bad rainstorm and I don't have room in the shed. She gave like some bags of her old clothes, stuff like that. We definitely donate everything we can't use. But I'll probably sell this on Facebook Marketplace. Check out that Huffy beach cruiser. I mean, looks to be like barely ridden on, brand new. It's like a $260 bike, so I'll probably do like 80 bucks on Marketplace. We're going in the shed, but just be on the lookout. That's another video coming up, part of a $5,000 inventory week. This is just part of it. We got boxes, but no, I have this box of custom arrows that I've actually already sold to my brother-in-law for $40, which was pretty cool. But I got this trolling motor right here. Oh yeah, and this longbow. Probably gonna keep the longbow. That's pretty cool. Oh, those chairs, they're from another deal. But yes, trolling motor, longbow, the arrows I've already sold. I kid you not. It was just a remarkable encounter of just somebody that I knew, and kindness going such a long way. I'm gonna cut to what we're at now. We got all this stuff like 5 days ago, and we already started listing some of the lures. So I'm gonna show you what we listed and what we sold just over the weekend, okay? Here are some of the lures that are already listed, and I'm gonna show you out of this box. I know you can't see how deep the box is. You can kind of tell from the side there. I'm gonna show you what's left after just some sales from this weekend. So there's the box now. We've made a little dent in it because all of these have gone out. Oh, not you. You go back in there. Still for sale. That right there. This is over $300 in sales just on fishing lures. Some of these buyers got multiple quantities, and these have only been listed for like 5 days. Holy cow. Never have I found what I just found. I didn't have my camera on me because it was a random little stop, and I rode by this sign yesterday and it said garage and in the house, just about everything is for sale. And I'm like, how long has this sale been going on? It was just a cardboard sign, so I stopped in there. Digging in the garage. You won't believe it. Let me wait and get to a red light. Look, do you know that tag right there? Do you know this right there? Yeah, just got those. Nice vintage sweater. This really faded Harley shirt, cut off sleeves, and down in there a PlayStation. So yeah, all that $20. I cannot wait to show my wife. They were kind of like a clothing bucket list find. Hey dear, so we're just letting everybody know we're alive. It's been a while.
Yeah.
But I was showing them, got all the fishing stuff, but we picked up that random little sale. And I found this. It goes on a sissy bar of one of the Sportsters. This will go for like $125, $150. Remind you, I paid $20 at this place. I didn't show the Harley shirt or that vintage sweater. You saw those things.
Yeah.
I'm like, if we get $10 to $20 a piece, that's fine. This PS1. All right, we plugged it in. That sadly didn't work. But the LCD screen did work, and we have the power cord for it. That alone is another $100.
That's crazy.
But you want to show them the other thing you've been working on besides all of our beautiful daughter's clothing. She's growing out of small stuff. How about you show them? They already saw it in the video, but
I know you see that big old logo there. And these were like, I don't even know if they were ever worn.
Nothing torn up on the bottom. But look.
They still have that like starchy new feel.
There's more.
There's another pair. Again, still in super good shape. So we have what, this pair?
150.
150.
200. So yes, That last little pickup will produce about $600 on those 4 items. And then all the fishing stuff that you saw, I'm putting a rough estimate of about $1,800. So we're close to $2,500 bucks. But I went and have cleaned out 2 other properties. I got more to do this week. Yes, about a total of 5 properties I've been working on. And then we went to an estate sale where you saw those blow molds. More of that to come. Great stuff to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Great stuff to get listed on eBay. I don't know if I have time to catch up with all of it, but we'll see you on the next video. We're gonna see how they like this in the shed. Give me a hand, I need some help.
What do you need help on?
I need help with this. What? I look creepy?
Yeah.
No, bonk your head. You got so scared you ducked.
Yeah.
Do I need to take it off?
Yeah. Okay.